Hello people, it's your wizard Argolak here. Today we're gonna be drawing a cyberpunk skyline with those sci-fi shapes, beautiful polluted skies, and lots of neon colors. Let's go! I'm gonna be using my default drawing app, Clip Studio Paint, but you can follow along with any app of your preference. Before we start, you can also download the full project in the link in the description, so use and abuse it. Well, that sounded better in my head. Just use it, don't abuse it. Or no. Let's move on. Let's get started. I just added some lines to use as guideline for where I want the buildings to be. Now let's start by adding a cool vibrant background with the gradient tool. And let's use the amazing direct draw tool, the polyline. And just like that, holding shift, we can make these futuristic shapes that will be our buildings. With the lines done, I'm just gonna fill them with the fill tool and draw some more layers for the buildings. I adjusted them here and there and colored them again because the original colors didn't have enough contrast between them. Now with a nice, extremely bright, ugly and neon color palette and using the rectangle subtool still inside the direct draw tool and set to fill with color, I'm gonna add tons of these little colorful rectangles everywhere. The smaller ones are gonna be the windows and the big ones the billboards. It looks like crap right now, honestly, but trust the process, right? What we do now is change the blending mode of the lights layer to add glow. And to make those lights really pop, we can duplicate the layer, place it below, and add a nice Gaussian blur. Look at those shiny lights everywhere. Now I'll duplicate all layers, merge them into one and use the select tool to invert and place it below as the reflection in the water. All we have to do is use the liquify tool with a small sized brush to add that water effect to the reflection of the city. And to finish it, I'm just gonna add a gradient layer in the water just to make it look darker and nicer. And I will also add some clouds using the built-in cloud tool. That's it, guys. Our easy cyberpunk landscape right here. You did it! I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really helps the channel grow. Thank you, bye!